Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the router's admin interface. Type the device IP into a browser and log in. Once done, confirm the router model and credentials. This is crucial. Make a direct Ethernet connection if possible for reliability, and back up current settings so you can revert. Also check firmware and update if needed. Newer firmware can reorder options. These preparatory steps reduce risk and explain why you'll find the 5G or 5 GHz options, where the settings panels list radios. Next, navigate directly to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. Look for advanced or radio tabs. You'll see separate entries for 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Identify the 5 GHz or labeled 5 GHz network. Disable that radio or toggle the 5 GHz band to off. This stops broadcasting immediately. If disabling is not available, reduce channel width to 20 MHz or rename and force devices onto the 4 GHz SSID. Make sure to save and apply changes, then wait for the router to reboot if prompted. Finally, reboot the router and scan for networks on your laptop or phone to confirm the 5 GHz SSID is no longer visible. Once confirmed, reconnect devices to the 4 GHz network and verify performance. Expect broader range but lower peak throughput. If devices still show 5 GHz or have trouble connecting, clear their Wi-Fi cache or forget the network and try again. As a last resort, factory reset the router and reapply the backup settings. This resolves persistent configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.